Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside.
I know I always say that my units give scalp honey, but this one, do you see it? Do you? Scalp, okay, skin. You all look at this, look at this. I'm blown away. I'm literally blown away with how beautiful and natural. Hi you all, I am iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back you all. Today we have this gorgeous, okay, clear and clean hairline by the company XRS Beauty Hair. So yes y'all, this is XRS Beauty new clear lace and clean hairline, silky straight texture, 13 by 6 undetectable skin melts lace front human hair wig. It is 200% density and 18 inches long. I would love to thank XRS Beauty Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous, okay, lace wig and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I keep seeing the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my shine. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing, I be locked in. What's lost here? All that turned me to a target. They be plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was the adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. I put all of that in my rip. Blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wouldn't trade us. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Wait, okay. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated, I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. From where that crevice be. I've been solid since the less of me. Out here with the sea, really in the field. I'm really on cam now, I got plans now. I'm finna branch out, grew up quick, but never let go of this here. I put all of that in my rip. Hey. Blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wouldn't trade this. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Too late. ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead way. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, yeah. Waiting by the curb, too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body, too late for I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up.
Alright, you all, so we're back. Let's see what we have. Wow, you all, this looks so good right now. Wow. Like, I know I always say that my units give scalp honey, but this one, do you see it? Do you? Scalp, okay? Skin. I'm blown away. I'm literally blown away with how beautiful and natural. You all, Xrsbeauty was not playing when they said clear lace, okay? Ear to ear, flawless install. I am so pleased with this one, you all, today. This is looking like my natural hair, like a natural blowout. This 18 inch is perfect. It's hitting me around my bust area, and I love that. It's melted right into my scalp, you all, and everything came done for you. It came pre-plucked, it came bleached, you all. There is nothing else you need to ask for from a unit like this. As always, I like to go in the part just a little bit more and define it. So let's take my skinny brush and my Ruby Kisses cream foundation and go into the part just a tad. And that's it, you all. Because this lace is so perfect, I am not going to add anything to the lace in front, just only the part to define that a little bit more. And I love how deep their lace is and the parting is. Look at that, you all. It looks so deep and realistic. I just decided to create a side part, and I absolutely love it. They sent over transparent lace here and their new clear lace, so you can just see on camera the difference. Transparent is a little bit more white and you can see it. This one is a lot more undetectable. When you see both placed against my hand, you can see the same thing. Using my Got To Be glue spray, I'm going to melt both laces onto my hand. You all, look at this. Look at this. You can definitely tell that the new clear lace blends so much more better and seamlessly than the transparent lace. This one is a lot more visible and you can see where it begins and ends as opposed to the new clear lace. Wow. Look at this melt here. Look at this melt. You cannot tell at all. This looks like my skin and scalp, okay? So yes, y'all, that completes today's hair install video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please be sure to check out Xrsbeauty. I'll be sure to leave this unit directly linked down in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products that I use in today's install as well. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get the conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.